In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy additional ExpressVPN for Teams licenses. If your organization is expanding, adding remote employees, or growing a technical team, it's important to scale your access quickly and efficiently. ExpressVPN for Teams makes that simple by letting administrators add more user seats directly from the centralized admin dashboard. One helpful advantage here is that pricing improves as your total number of seats grows, thanks to automatic volume discount tiers. On top of that, any new licenses are prorated to match your current billing cycle, so you're only paying for the remaining time left on your active plan. To begin, open your web browser and go to teams.expressvpn.com. From there, sign in to the Teams admin portal using your organization's administrator credentials. Make sure you're entering the dedicated Teams workspace rather than an individual profile. If you happen to land in a personal account view, use the account switcher in the top corner to move into the admin dashboard without needing to sign out and back in again. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the main summary area that shows your current licensing and billing information. This section gives you a quick overview of active seats, assigned users, and any licenses that are still unassigned. In that billing area, click the option labeled Add Licenses to open the purchasing interface. Next, enter the number of new licenses you want to buy. As you adjust the quantity, the platform will automatically update the pricing on screen. This is where the volume discount tiers come into play. Teams with 5 to 9 licenses receive 25% off the base price. For 10 to 19 licenses, the discount becomes 30%. For 20 to 29, it increases to the 5%. For 30 to 39, it becomes 40%. For 40 to 49, it rises to 45%. And once you reach 50 or more licenses, the discount goes up to 50%. The system also recalculates the prorated amount based on whether your plan renews monthly, annually, or every 24 months. Before completing the purchase, carefully review the order summary. Pay close attention to the prorated cost adjustment, since that shows exactly what you'll be charged today for the added seats through your next renewal date. Then confirm your organization's payment method, such as a corporate card, PayPal, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. When everything looks correct, click Confirm Purchase or Confirm Subscription to process the order. Once the transaction goes through, the new seats should appear right away in your admin dashboard as unassigned. From there, you'll need to provision those seats. For smaller teams, you can assign users one at a time by selecting an unassigned license, choosing Assign User, entering the employee's name and work email, and then clicking Add to License. For larger teams, use the Import Users via CSE option, download the template, fill in your staff details, upload the file, and click Invite users to send out activation emails in bulk. Finally, check your license table and confirm that newly added users show a status of pending invitation or active. To finish the verification process, have one of the invited team members open their onboarding email, install or launch the ExpressVPN app, complete their password setup, and confirm that the app connects successfully. This last check helps ensure your new licenses are not only purchased, but fully deployed and ready to protect your growing team.